Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're going to show you how to make chocolate truffles in 4 easy ways. So whatever your favourite flavour is, be it dark chocolate, white chocolate, peanut butter, or even Oreo cookies, we've got the recipe for you. Start by adding 1.5 cups of heavy cream and 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips to a pot and stir over a low heat. We want to make sure it doesn't stick and all the chocolate is melted. Once that's done, just pour it into a bowl and freeze for an hour or 2 until solid. Then take out a spoon and roll it into a ball. Next, just roll it in cocoa powder. And there you have it, a super simple chocolate truffle. Amazing! Now for our next recipe, we're adding 1.5 cups of heavy cream and 3 cups of white chocolate chips this time. The same process of stirring over a low heat until the chocolate is melted. Pour that into a bowl and stick it in the fridge for about 15 minutes till it's only semi-set, and then pour in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Mix those in and stick it back in the fridge. Once it's set, you can spoon some out and roll it into your truffle shape. And now let's coat our truffle ball in some melted milk chocolate. Let it set and then drizzle some melted white chocolate over the top. Delicious! Now for our next recipe, we're adding 2 cups of heavy cream and 3 cups of milk chocolate, heating it on the stove on a low heat until all the chocolate has melted into the cream. Delicious! Let's pour that into our bowl and let it set. Take some out and then roll your ball. Now dip the ball in some melted peanut butter and then coat it in crushed peanuts. Amazing! Wow, chocolate peanut butter truffle. Last but not least, we're doing cookies in cream truffles. We need 24 Oreo cookies and we're going to open them all up and remove the cream. Take your cookies without the cream, stick them in a food bag and give them a good bashing with a rolling pin to crush them to pieces. Great stress reliever, this one. Excellent. Just pop those aside and now heat 1/2 cup of heavy cream with 3 cups of white chocolate chips. We're adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to that for an extra layer of flavour. Once the mixture is all melted together, we're going to pour it into our bowl. Allow it to set. Spoon some out to make our truffle shape. Then dip it in melted milk chocolate. Lastly, coat it in your Oreo cookie crumbs. Wow! Oreo-tastic! Look at that! Which one is your favourite? I think I like them all.